dominoes. We want to play those dominoes. Like, come up. So we want to play them dominoes. And I was like, well, I need to go to bed. I said, I'm going fishing. He's like, we thought you were kidding.
No, we ain't kidding. This is epic. It's not the first time I've done this. See, this water here is pretty, I mean, it's not like bad. It's just, you got to chase them kind of deal. All right, so as you can see, it is snowing very hard, but I want you to look, we've got the mud line. So we've came up from where we put in, and you can see there as it's changing. We're going to, it's going to be, I think it's really going to turn out well, because we're still going to have the clarity that we had the other day whenever we flat and blistered them. So we just got to get to where we can fish, and I don't think we're gonna have to worry about people finding our spot on a day like today. Even if they're on the water, they're not gonna be able to see us for the snow. All right, put a little bed back in here. There's one coming in. Oh, swing and a miss. Oh, he's on it. He's swimming away with it. There we go. Look what we got in there. Already catching them. He just about. Come on. Oh. Get on down, get on down. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Trawl motor doing some crazy stuff. There you go, there you go. It's alright. We're gonna swing back around. Okay. I hear you. Got the stage fright. Look at all this snow. Look at that!